Hello, I'm LT30. This is our lecture 2. In this lecture, we are we are coding three concepts of Python. That is, it is basically a inbuilt data type, we can call data structure in Python. Inbuilt data structures. That first one is a tuple, second one is a dictionary, and third one is a set. Set and dictionaries are same in declaration, but some minor changes were there in the set. So we can code for the tuple we can tuples see let's see something about tuples are wardened immutable collections of the element in the python. They are defined using parenthesis means a round bracket. Tuples can contain element of different type. In tuple, once we create tuples, the element of the tuple cannot be changed. That is immutable. Tuples are often used to store related but immutable data. So we can see the tuple. We can use one example of person. Person is one variables in that we are storing. This is a tuple. Tuple is declared with the parenthesis as in a round bracket. We can add this Bob 42 is the age and mechanics is the study or his profession. So we can print that thing person and let look up. Yes, here you can see this Bob 42 and mechanic. Okay, this is a tuple. In the tuple, we can access one by one element like uh, print instead of length is one function inbuilt function that will be giving the length of the person tuple. So we can see this thing indexing. If we press one in the person one means one is nothing but 42 things is returning operating on this. Yes, 42 is printing. Likewise, in list, same concept is applicable for indexing. That is zero. This one is Bob is zero. 42 age is one, and mechanic is a two. That is a one about indexing. We can access that each element from the tuple. Yes. We can also uh, iterate all these uh, values and print out that value using the for loop. We will see for loop conditioning means statement conditions and loop things in next lecture. So you can see we can for this purpose we can use that for loop or loop. This is a syntax for loop. We will discuss more about this for loop in next time. The I is the item that from person. In person, there were three values that will be printing here. Means we are not printing each individual things. Now it will printing like everything's Bob 42 and mechanic. This this is all about the for loop in tuples. Tuple is immutable means we can create this. We can't modify the any values from this tuple. Okay, this is the all about tuple. I know one more interesting concept over there in the tuple that is unpacking. Unpacking meanings. If you see the person they have the name, age, and mechanic. So we can unpacking means we can give our new variables like name, age, and the last one is the profession. Means occupation. and this is like unpacking of these values from the person. This, and if you print the person dot name or directly name, it will print that name. See, we know we earlier we not have any name variables, but in unpacking we use three variables, and like unpack that variables from the person. It will printing more. Yeah, this much about the tuple. We can now we can see the another topic, interesting topic, that is a dictionary. Dictionary is very important for very important data structures in Python. Let's see some points of the dictionary. Dictionary are unordered collections of the key value pair. Means we are the unordered pair of key value pair. They are defined with the curly bracket, curly braces. Curly braces we are using that. We how we here we use the round braces, parenthesis, round bracket. Like that, the dictionary is created with the curly braces. And if you think of a list is defined with the square bracket. So each key value pair is separated by the colon, and the key must be unique in that particular dictionary. The value can be of any data types, while the keys and typical is a string or number. And the dictionaries are useful for storing and retrieving data based on the keys. Let's see the example of the dictionary. Can see the small example. Like person, we can create one person example. Your own person. In that person, the name is a key. So we need to add some quotation for this thing. Name is on. Top age is nothing but 32 and occupation is mechanic. It's good. Okay. This is our dictionary. In dictionary, this name, age, occupations are the key. All keys are unique. We can't define one more name key in the person dictionary. So okay, we can retrieve these one keys by adding square bracket and pass the key. What want we? I want the age of that person. So this will returning the age of the person, that is 22. So we need to clear this and run the program. Here, see, the name is before. We can differentiate this by using dictionary. Dictionary. Okay, 32 is from the dictionary. See this. Yeah, this all about the person key, and we are getting the value of that particular key. Okay, likewise, yeah, we can add a new value for dictionary, that I need to add a person. For person, I need to add gender. Now find out gender string gender. This key was not present earlier, so we are declaring that key and asking that values for the gender is male. Okay, if we print all that uh, dictionary again, sorry, we can call as person one. change everywhere because person is like your one tuple is there and the this one is a dictionary. So it might be a conflict for that. That's the reason I'm changing the name of that person in dictionary. Yeah, okay, so this name, Tom, age 32, occupation mechanic, and gender is also now added for that particular dictionary. It's good. It's really easy. You need to practice the code. Okay. This suggestion is like popping up the age, means we are deleting that age that we are not looking for now. This is all okay. You can look more about the dictionary concepts, dictionary method from this tutorial. Python.3 tutorial in the section. In this, you can find anything you wanted to know. Here is a dictionary. See, in this dictionary, all everything is will there. Everything is everything. The documentation is a such a key that to success in your programming life. For this also, we can give the uh, for statement. So we are quickly looking at for statement. We are printing key and value in that person one item. Item is one method for this dictionary. In the dictionary, when we are printing that key value pair, we can separate this with colon. It will be good to see you run this program. Okay, see, this one is we added one gender thing in that earlier dictionary. Now see this, we are printing from the for loop, which every items was iterated and giving the output, and we customize that with the key and after the colon and value. This is key colon and value. This is interesting. If you know for loop or looping thing in Python, it will be good. So we are clearing our program outputs, and now we are moving to the site. Site site is also like a dictionary, but in the site we are not giving the key value pair. We are directly declaring the site. So we can say that person two, same name. We can add Jerry, Tom, Jack, and Bob. That's good. The all these are like in the set. Inside is like we can't define, we can't give the value same, we can't define the set with the duplicated values like Jerry. It will not allow. So we can quickly see some points regarding this set. Set is like unordered collections of unique element in the Python. Okay, it's defined with the curly braces like this. Curly braces. Yes, sir. It support mathematical operations like union. Means there is a two set, then we can find the union of that set, that both the set or intersection of that set. Set intersection is like common thing from both the set. Or difference we can find out from both the set and symmetry. So we can see, we can look up for the three operations. Before that, I will add. Adding is like easy because in person to dot add is one method. Add one name is yeah, it's good is now added to the person two. If you print this puzzle 2, then you will got to know that Jerry, Tom, Jack, Ace, and Bob. If you print this earlier, uh, before adding the Ace, you can make different shaded output. See, Jerry, Tom, Bob, and Jack is there. After adding, the Ace was added in that set. It's good. So we are printing, or this is suggesting the removing thing of the Jerry. We are not removing it now. We can look for the set methods, what are the mathematical methods. So we defining our set 1 with some values 1 to 3, 1 2 3 4 for set 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, good. 3 4 5 6. Okay. Operating that union of the set 2 set 1 dot union of set 2 means set 1 union of set 2 means you can see the output of that and clear. 1 2 3 and 4. The 4 is repeated in this set and in this union, so it will consider as a 1. This is the union means repeating element is eliminated. Intersection is both enable, like now output will be show 3 and 4, because in both the set 3 here, set 1 as also containing 3, set 2 also containing 3, 4 is also containing set 2 and set 1, so it will be printing like that. Intersection means you will learn in mathematics intersection, difference, union, difference. This is all about difference of that. Difference meaning difference value from inside what 1 and 2. 3 and 4 were repeated in side 2, so 1 and 2 is a difference side 1. And last one is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference is nothing but symmetric. Both this symmetric difference is like 3 and 4 are not introduced, not repeated, is not contained in the symmetric differences. Okay, you can learn more about this from more example here. You can practice all the methods and learn more about list. After list, there is a for data type, data type list, tuple, dictionary, and set. But dictionary is mostly used, and tuple also, and this set we are using, but in some case. So that's it for this video now. We are meeting tomorrow for lecture 3. In that we are practicing the loop and conditions treatment. Yeah, that's it for the day. If you like my video, then please give some show some love for this video and add your opinion in the comment box. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yeah, we are also giving you the more tasks in later videos. Yeah, that's it for the now.